Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a really great day today. In today's video, I'm going to be going over 5 essential office needs. And the 5 things that I'm going over, they're pretty basic, so I think you could probably use them for like any area of business. To help me out with sharing with you guys the 5 essential needs, I have been sponsored by Office Depot, so we're gonna go in there and shop a little bit today. So I am really excited. I'm starting off in my office because the item that I am purchasing is going in my office. So the first item that I'm going to be looking at is going to be paper / desk supply. These things go hand in hand. So some of those items are going to be, of course, pen, paper, scissors, tape, possibly a highlighter. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at the paper. It's so pretty. So the bonus of being someone that is creative or having a business that's around being creative is I can get creative. So I really do love these color papers, but of course you have white, you have off-white, you have all those colors. But yeah, these are really pretty paper options and stuff. But of course you can go as bold as you want or as neutral as you would like also with the paper options. I don't know if I want this one or if I want this one. Do you guys... They're both Pilot though. This one is just really fine, and then this one is the roller. But I feel like this one released out a little bit more ink than the roller one. Or is it this one that releases out more ink? Oh my gosh. Okay, so I've made my selection with these two guys here. The reason why I get these is because when you start to run out of ink, the pen actually tells you. I wanted to show you guys a closer look at the pens because here you have the ink refill right here. I just took it out of this pen. So the packet of the pen, I believe it's like $7, but then you can get these guys 2 for $1.50. So you're basically paying for this less than $1 per pen. So I really do like this, which is why I'm purchasing the Pilot. So I used to use these pens when I was in school, and I still use it now. So this is just a quick little office but also money saving tip if you guys are interested. So all you have to do is look online and order the refill. This has absolutely nothing to do with it, but this is so cute, you guys. It's so pink and pretty. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. All the pinks, the blush, the flowers and stuff. But I know me, like I'll get tired of seeing this, but I can appreciate looking at it for sure. So in my office I am very neutral, but even though my office is neutral, there is a lot of textures in there. And these are the magazine holders. Although they're white, they have this really beautiful texture on them, which is so pretty, and I absolutely love. Even these right here, it almost gives like a linen finish on there. This has nothing to do with my 5 tips. So when I saw these, I was like, oh my gosh, these are just so freaking cute. And I think I'm gonna get something today. And these are little card holders. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm gonna grab some of these because these are so cute, and I can put them on my desk. So I wasn't supposed to grab anything from here, but I am. Number 2 on that list is going to be a paper shredder. Now I feel like this is a must-have for any home, just because you want to be able to take care of your sensitive paperwork in your home. Alright you guys, so currently I'm in aisle 14, and these are the line of shredders. The reason why I'm sitting here is because the one that we have at home is very similar to this guy here. It's a little expensive, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, but it's worth it. The reason why we ended up with a shredder of this capacity is really, one, for our work and also for the kids, because it shreds staples, paper clips, credit cards, CDs, and also envelopes that you haven't opened. So I figured if you have kids, they're a little mischievous, they see you shred, they want to shred, and we wanted to make sure whatever went in there wasn't going to damage it. And also it shreds up to 20 sheets, so that was a plus for us. On top of that, it gives you 2 cutting options, so you can cross cut or you can do the micro cut. All right you guys, so here's my shredder at home. Now mind you, we've had this for about a year, and we did purchase it from Office Depot, but what I wanted to show you is how small, it shreds the paper. So the way that we have ours set is set on the smallest, so the paper doesn't come out as strips, it comes out like confetti. Number 3 is going to be a safe, and that can be something big or something small depending on your personal need. So I'm near the safes right now, and I think this is just really good to have if you want to put your passport, birth certificates, any sort of like your kids' medical records, something that, God forbid, something happens, you'll still have it, water, fire, and all that stuff. You won't lose your documentation. Hopefully you guys have guessed it by now, because number 4 is going to be exactly what I'm going to be picking up today, which is going to be a computer. And this can be a laptop or a desktop. But as you guys already know, I already have a laptop. Even though a laptop offers me accessibility, the freedom of being able to travel, and I'm very mobile, which is a great feature, one of the downfalls is I do not have efficient storage. All right, you guys, if you haven't figured it out already, I'm currently in the market for a new computer. I am really loving this one, but as I stated, a laptop is really good because it's versatile. You can move, you can travel, and as you can see, the last one that I just showed you guys, it has a 360 mechanism, so you can fold it. It can go from a laptop to a tablet. Again, offers that flexibility. But today I'm currently looking at a desktop. I really need one just because storage, space, YouTube, design. This isn't the one that I'm getting, but towards the end you guys will see exactly what I'm buying. Lastly, number 5 is going to be an external drive. So when it comes to the USB drive, I have a 64 gig, but I'm gonna have to go even bigger just because I have a lot more documentation that I have to hold on to. Something that I never paid attention to, and I don't think I paid attention to it until I was dealing with my photographer. And we took some pictures, and he took his drive and he put it into my computer, and it took 2 seconds to download about 200 pictures. And I'm like, what do you have? Let me see. And it had that speed up to like 100 and this and this, and I was like, you know, I went to the store and I was trying to have them explain to me what was the difference, and they couldn't do it. But that's just pretty much what the difference is. It's going to allow you to download and also upload a whole lot faster, and sometimes when you're rushing and you're trying to get things done, it's worth to spend the extra. But I'm currently done inside of Office Depot. I'm gonna head back home, so I'll see you guys there. So I am back home, and this actually happened a little earlier than expected. I wasn't expecting my new computer for like another week. I decided to go with the HP Envy, which is so amazing, you guys. It is everything that I could have possibly wanted in a computer system. I mean, it's sleek, it's slim, and it is super sexy. When it came to a desktop, I know you guys are probably gonna ask this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get the answer out the way. I am not familiar with any of the Apple products. I don't even own anything Apple. My kids, on the other hand, does. But for me, I just really didn't feel like relearning an entire new system. So all I really had to do was sign into my Google account, and everything just went onto my computer. I did need to give it about an hour or 2 of running, so that way the clarity will kind of pop up. But now that it's up, it looks so good, and I absolutely love it. The collab could not have happened at a better time. I literally had just left Office Depot. I'm gonna show you guys really quickly. I think it's in here. Yep, it's in here. I just planned, I had just gone in there to get my planner. So this one here is my interior design planner. And then I have my financial planner, and I got everything laminated and just like really pretty. I will be doing a video talking about my planner and stuff like that. And you know, I saved my receipt for my tax stuff. And yeah, you guys, like literally I had just left them when this happened. So like I said, a lot of the things that I already have in my office was from Office Depot, especially when it came to the items that I was going to be using for interior design. So like I have my rulers, I have my stencils, pencils and stuff like that, and tracing paper. So like I said, 150 50,000%. It's not that I don't enjoy going to other stores. I just feel like, you know, if you go to like a big box store, they'll have a small section that really caters to your needs. But when you go into a store like Office Depot, you get everything that you're looking for. The shredder, the paper, you know, the supplies. It becomes a one-stop shop for your office needs. So again, I am so appreciative and grateful for this collaboration. It really means the world to me, and I am loving my new computer. So it has the Bang & Olufsen speaker on the front of it, and it is just, you guys, it is amazing. I'm gonna turn the camera a little bit so you guys can see a little bit of it, but I am gonna come up with a video giving you guys a lot more detail about this particular computer. So hold on. So I'm on YouTube. I just pulled up a random song. I can manually, it is a touchscreen, so you see that? So I can do this. Okay, or I can do this. Oh my gosh, so this computer is everything. This may not be for everyone, and I get it. You definitely have to do your research. But for me, I think I can go ahead and call myself an HP girl. You guys already know, once I use a product and it works for me, I'm pretty much not trying to change. And I've been with HP for so long now. My tablets, my laptop is all HP and stuff. So when it came time to such a big decision like this one, I just had to go with HP. So you guys, I almost forgot. So in the video, I showed you guys these two things. I ended up buying them. And then I already had pens here, and I had some color ones here in my drawer also. So I ended up grabbing that. So I really do have everything that I need in the office now. So I have my black ones that I just kind of keep here, my business cards that I just keep here. So everything is just right here where I need it. I'm just gonna catty corner it a little bit, kind of. I do understand that we all have our own separate needs, and everything that I have in my office may not necessarily be for you. But I do think the 5 things that I shared in today's video will definitely help you out on your journey. So I hope you guys find the video helpful. If you're not already, definitely feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you so very much for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.